Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the verification of the DeMorgan's law. So what is this verification of DeMorgan's law? Okay, so now we have the DeMorgan's law can be written in two formats. One is nothing but AND format and another one is nothing but OR format. Now let's try to verify in right hand side as well as left hand side. Okay, so how this De Morgan's law is defined as a, so A is one element, B is another element, and you have to perform the negation for this, and this will result the value of A bar plus B bar, both should be equal. So here you can see here A and B are and, that's why this is called and type of writing De Morgan's law, and the same reverse you are going to write down. Here is A into B, therefore here we are going to get A plus B whole bar is equal to, so how to write down is here it is A bar into B bar, so it's nothing but opposite. Here A bar plus is there automatically into here we are going to get A bar into B bar, so this we need to verify. Okay, now in order to do this, what are the elements we require is A element, B element, A bar value, B bar value. Okay, now let us try to define. Okay, so first element is A and another element is B. Then how many possibilities you are going to get is very important. Okay, so now let us try to check. So how many inputs are there? Two inputs are there. Two input means 2 to the power number of inputs. 2 square is equal to 4. So then we have to write down the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers for 0, 1, 2 as well as 3. So here how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. Okay. So this is how we are going to get the analysis. So this how to write down this decimal in binary form is 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now let's try to write down the decimal equivalent of BCD. So 0 can be written as 0, 0, and 1 can be written as 0, 1, and 2 can be written as 1, 0, and 3 can be written as 1, 1. So let's try to see here. Here you require A into B value. Okay, and already we will perform here directly, and you require A bar value as well as B bar value. Now let us try to perform A bar value as well as let's try to perform B bar value. Okay, and then we'll try to perform A into B value as well as we'll try to perform AB whole bar also. Let's try to perform, and then we will perform A bar plus B bar. Let's try to perform. Now let's try see this equation and say the value. Here we are having 0, then automatically here you are going to get 1. Here we are having 0, then here you are going to get 1. Here it is 1, automatically 0. Here it is 1, it is also automatically 0. And B bar value, here it is how much? 0, therefore here you are going to get 1. Here it is 1, here you are going to get 0. Here it is 0, you are going to get 1. Here it is 1, here you are going to get 0. Okay, now we have to perform the AND operation of these two values. A into B. A into B means if both are 1, then only you are going to get 1. So 0 into 0 is automatically 0. So by these two I am going to perform. So 0 and 1 is there, automatically 0. 1 and 0 is there, automatically 0. 1 and 1 is there, automatically you are going to get as 1. Now conjugate of this value. So the conjugate of this value you are going to get 1, 1, 1 as well as 0. 3 ones and zeros, you obtain the value of A into B whole bar. But you require A bar and B bar. Okay. Now for these two values, you have to perform OR operation. OR means any one is there, then you will get as 1. Both are 1, automatically you will get as 1. So A bar, 1 already 1 is there, automatically you are going to get 1. Already here also 1 is there, you have obtained the 1. Both are 0, automatically you obtained as 0. So here you can cross check the values. So this is nothing but the left hand side values are equal to right hand side values. So it's nothing but the verification of De Morgan's law, which is nothing but A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is how we are writing with respect to AND operation. Now let's write verify with respect to OR operation. Okay. Now come to here. The same technique we are going to express here. So here we are going to have A is one input and B is another input. Okay. So when you have the table like this, the same what we already discussed. So here you are going to have two inputs. So whenever two inputs are there, 2 to the power the number of input, 2 square is equal to 4. So then how many decimal numbers we can get here is 4 numbers you have to get. I am writing this as 0, 1, 2 as well as 3. Okay. Then how to these are nothing but 2 to the power 0 value, 2 to the power 1 value. 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 2 to the power 1 is how much? 2. So these are nothing but we have to express this decimal in terms of BCD. How to write down decimal 0 to BCD? So here you can get 0, 0. How to write down 1 is 0, 1. How to write down 2? 1, 0. How to write down 3? We can write down it as 1, 1. Now we require the values of A bar and B bar. Okay, let's try to perform this also. So we need to perform A bar value and we need to perform the B bar value also. You need to perform, and then we need to perform A plus B value, and then we have to perform the conjugate of this value A plus B bar, and we have to prove this A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay, so these two columns you have to get it as same. Okay, now let us try to see here. We are having 0. So for this 0 complements, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 1 complement is 0. So B complements. Here it is 0, then you are going to get 1. Here it is 1, here you are going to get 0. Here it is 0, then here you are going to get 1. Here it is 1, here you are going to get 0. Okay, so this is how you are going to get the values of A bar and B bar. Next, A plus B. So for these two, we need to perform A plus B we have to perform. So when you are performing this A plus B, see here, if any one is there, you have to write down 1. Two zeros are there, automatically 0. 1 is there, automatically 1 here. 1 is there, automatically 1 here. So two ones are there, automatically 1 here, which is nothing but A plus B. And for this, you have to perform the conjugate. Okay, so conjugate of this value is how much? 1, 0, 0, 0. Now the product of these two we have to perform. So product of these two is how much? A bar into B bar. So the AND operation you have to perform for these two columns. So when you observe here, you will get output only when both are true. So two ones are there, both are true, automatically 1. Only one is true, automatically 0. Only one is true, automatically 0. Two zeros are there, automatically 0. So this is how and what you can observe or you can prove through De Morgan's law is A plus B whole bar is nothing but A bar into B bar. So this is nothing but the left hand side, this is nothing but right hand side, both are equal. This is how we are going to say that our De Morgan's law is verified in AND operation as well as in OR operation. So both are correct. Okay, just you see here when you write down negation and is there, just remove the and what is the reverse of and? So first you two elements are there, first element you write down and put an negation on this. Here and is there, write down sum into b bar. Here is the reverse. A plus b whole bar. So a is there, directly write down a bar. Here or operation is there, write down and operation, multiply with b bar, a bar into b bar. So this is how you are going to get verified the De Morgan's law. So thank you for your time. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video, share the video, and still if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours Ram.